Howdy guys and gals, it's Sober Chef Eric here once again with another kitchen hack for you. That's right, episode number 2 of the kitchen hack. So hang out after this intro and I will be right back. Alrighty guys and gals, today on the kitchen hack I'm going to show you how to keep your drip pans clean. Yeah. Now what you do is you pull out your element. Oh wait, before I do that, let me show you one other thing real quick. There we go. You line underneath with foil. Now what you see right there is an exhaust vent from the oven, so you want to make sure that that is clear. But as you can see, it's got kind of a well in it, so you know, if you have a boil over or something crazy like that, you're good to go. So let me depress that again. Alrighty. Now, on the back one, as you can see, there's a hole in the bottom of the drip pan, and I open that hole because that's where that oven exhaust is. But on the other ones, as you can see, I leave that hole, go ahead and I cover that. And then this way, if you have any boilovers or whatever, or if you're just a messy cook, it's a lot easier than cleaning all those drip pans from stains and whatnot. And then that way, if you're like me and you rent an apartment, when you move out, boom, pull the foil off and they look brand spanking new. How about that? Alright guys and gals, thanks for tuning in for another Sober Chef Eric episode of Kitchen Hack. And I will see you next time. Remember, life's too short to eat bad food.